Hello everyone and welcome to your channel IELTS Perfection. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to write a Band 9 opinion essay step by step. So by the end of this lesson, you'll know how to analyze the question correctly, how to plan your essay in under 5 minutes, how to write each paragraph with confidence, and how to check your work like an IELTS examiner. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the question. Before you write a single word, you need to understand exactly what the examiner is asking. Look at this question.
Some people believe university education should be free for everyone. To what extent do you agree or disagree?
Don't read the question quickly. Break it into 3 parts: topic, issue, and task. The topic is university education. The issue is, should it be free? And the task is, to what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to remember the opinion essay is not a discussion essay. The examiner wants your opinion. So, choose a position before you start writing and keep the same opinion throughout your essay. Step 2. Plan before you write. Many students think planning wastes time. Actually, planning saves time because you know exactly what you're going to write. Here is a simple planning formula: opinion, reason 1, reason 2, examples. So if you want to put it together, the opinion is, I agree. Reason 1 is, free education creates equal opportunities. The example for reason 1 is, students from low-income families. Reason 2, it benefits the economy. And the example for it is, more skilled workers. Don't try to think of ideas while you're writing. Think first, then write. Step 3. Write the introduction. A Band 9 introduction only needs 2 sentences. Sentence 1. Paraphrase the question. And sentence 2. State your opinion. Let's start with paraphrasing. Instead of repeating the words from the question, use natural alternatives, like the words below.
Many people argue that higher education should be provided free of charge. I completely agree with this view because it promotes equal opportunities and benefits society as a whole.
Keep in mind, the introduction only tells the examiner what your position is. We don't explain our reasons yet. Step 4. Write body paragraph 1. For body paragraphs, use one simple structure: peel, point, explain, example, and link. Let's build it together. Start with your main idea.
One important reason why university education should be free is that it creates equal opportunities.
Now explain why this idea is true.
Many talented students cannot afford university because of high tuition fees.
Support your idea with a realistic example.
For example, countries such as Germany have invested in affordable higher education, allowing students from different financial backgrounds to earn university degrees.
And now, finish by connecting your idea back to the question.
Therefore, providing free education helps create a fairer society.
Also, you can use vocabularies interchangeably. Instead of help, try enable, allow, support. Instead of good, try beneficial, valuable, and effective. Also, some useful phrases: equal opportunities, financial burden, access to education, and academic success. Step 5. Write body paragraph 2. Now, repeat the same structure. Don't invent a new format. Band 9 writing is consistent.
Another important reason is that free education supports economic growth. A country with more university graduates has a more skilled workforce. For instance, investing in education often leads to higher productivity and greater innovation in many developed countries. As a result, free education benefits not only individuals, but society as a whole.
Some of the vocabularies I used are economic growth, skilled workforce, long-term investment, productivity, and innovation. The conclusion is the easiest paragraph. Many students make it difficult by adding new ideas. Don't. A Band 9 conclusion has only two jobs. First, restate your opinion. Second, summarize your two main reasons.
In conclusion, I completely agree that university education should be free because it creates equal opportunities and contributes to economic development.
Simple, clear, and nothing new. Before you finish, spend 1 or 2 minutes checking your essay. Ask yourself these questions. Did I answer the questions directly? Is my opinion clear from beginning to end? Does each body paragraph contain only one main idea? Did I explain my ideas instead of just listing them? Did I give relevant examples? And did I use natural vocabulary and vary my grammar? If the answer is yes, you're already writing like a high band candidate. Great. Now let's recap one more time. Understand the question, plan before you write, write the introduction, write body paragraph 1 and 2, and write your conclusion. And after all, check your essay before submitting. Keep studying hard, and I'll see you in the next video.